Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add a tags to your post on your Tumblr application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a tag to the Tumblr post on your Tumblr application, just going to show in this video. So I just going to edit a new post here. So it's my new post, right? So I just need to add some tag here. So to add the tags, so you just need to click on the, you can see on the bottom called hashtag add the tag to people, help people to find your post. Click on this first and you can just search tag. For an example, take and take new or you can see the hashtag on the bottom. You can just add the hashtag, whatever the hashtag you just needed. So after adding all the hashtag, click on the done option. So actually you can see the hashtag is on the bottom. You can just add more by clicking on the plus symbol. You can just add more hashtag or just long press it or just click on this. You have this edit option. You can just delete it. This is how you just add tags on your post on the Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.